Hi, Dave Henson here again, the slide presentation man. I was asked recently to put together some before and after examples of the work that I've done. And as I was doing it, I thought that would make quite a good video blog post. So I'm killing two birds with one stone here and putting together a handful of these examples. This first one you may have seen before. It's a slide that I use in my workshops. There's 17 things wrong with this slide. Not going to go through them all now, of course. But it's a typical slide, isn't it? A typical sort of slide that you might see in a typical boring PowerPoint presentation. And the after examples is a sequence, of which this one here is the final one in the sequence. And you can see that it's a lot better in terms of design and works a lot better than the original. This second example is for an IPO pitch that I did. The names and job titles have been changed to protect the innocent and for confidentiality purposes. But this was the team slide that I was asked to zhuzh up a little bit and make more interactive. And so the results looked like this, where you can click on individual names to bring up that person's details and bio, and then click on the picture again to shrink it back down. This one shows another typical bullet point slide, the 5 features of a camera. And if you're going to talk about the 5 features of a camera, why not show each of those 5 features with a large image and minimal text, which you can then speak around to give more detail about each of those features. You may recognize this one. It's one that I used in a video not so long ago. The client asked for this slide to be changed and for a bit of an injection of humour, so this is what I produced. Ouch! And finally, another example. This slide deals with the emissions scandal, the Volkswagen emissions scandal. And I've turned it from this into this. So it doesn't all have to be boring bullet points and graphs and data. If PowerPoint is used properly, it can be a really effective tool and get your message across to your audience.